Welcome friends, in this one let me show you a couple different examples of using the chain rule twice. So I'm going to go first say with cosine of ln of 2x. We're going to differentiate this, so we're going to form, in other words, a derivative with respect to x of cosine of ln of 2x. That's our goal here. So let's go through this process a little bit. With respect to ln of 2x, cosine is the first outside, so to speak. So you differentiate that. That's going to give you the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Then you copy ln and 2x. But then you have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So with respect to the sine now, ln of 2x is the inside. So you're going to multiply by the derivative of ln of 2x. That's one use of the chain rule. But now take a look. Copy the first part, negative sine of ln of 2x. But then you got to differentiate ln of 2x. So you have to use the ln rule, so it's going to be 1 over 2x. Let me put that in here. But then you have to multiply again by the derivative of 2x, because 2x is the inside with respect to ln. You see, so you're using it twice. Now you're going to end up with negative sine of ln of 2x, and then 1 over 2x. The derivative of the 2x is just 2, so you continue. So it's going to be negative sine of ln of 2x. The 2's here cancel, so that's very nice. Let me do that right now. Alright, this cancels with this. They go away. So we just end up here times 1 over x in this position with that. But that's equivalent to just writing negative sine of ln of 2x. And it's as if you were dividing by x this way. It's the same thing. It's equivalent. So this is one example. Look at another example. ln, say, for example, of the sine of 3x this way. So notice that ln is one function, sine is another, and then 3x is another still. So with respect to sine of 3x, ln is the first outside. So in other words, the derivative with respect to x of ln of sine of 3x would look like this at first. Differentiate ln. So that means apply that rule. It's going to be 1 over sine of 3x times the derivative with respect to x of sine of 3x. So that's using the chain rule once. But now when you look at sine of 3x with respect to x, 3x rather, sine is the outside first. So you're going to do 1 over sine of 3x, differentiate the sine. That's going to give you a cosine of 3x, but then you have to multiply by the derivative of the 3x this way. So now you're going to end up with 1 over sine of 3x times cosine of 3x times just 3, because the derivative of 3x is just 3. So now you're going to end up with 3 cosine of 3x divided here by sine of 3x. You can write it that way, it's equivalent. But now cosine over sine is cotangent. So you can say 3 cotangent of 3x. And then this would be considered a derivative, the answer. And that's it. So please leave a like, please subscribe, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video.